the bell icon on the YouTube app and never miss another update.
All right, rear end on the 1984 Barrettes, and we are replacing this, obviously this here, this. Front end came out pretty good, guys. I buttoned it all pretty much up. The color is slightly off, but you know, being that it's in an area where it's known that those are the, you know, those are the fillers to be off on a color. And some people don't care. Anyways, we're gonna do the rears now. So for the rears, Phillips head screwdriver, that's gonna take off this bezel here. But in the back here, where you're gonna pull the carpet off, you got basically a nut there, a nut up top there, two up there, and then two on the bottom. So we'll get to crack-a-lacking on that. That's a number 10. So these look like they're underneath the car, this bracket here, and it is. So we'll go underneath the car and we'll look how that is. Pretty sure it's the 5/32 nuts that you have to take off. So let's get this one off and then we'll work on that. All you gotta do is take off this one right here. Alright guys, I gotta get a number 10. Alright guys, this is the setup you're gonna need for that, the lower one right here. Stick your hand down in there, put it on top of it. I gotta do this with two hands, so it's gonna be a minute. Alright guys, so I got it off. This piece here was actually connected and it wrapped around this is another bracket for the side piece here, and it also connects the chrome to that. What I have to do is remove all these lights. I'm gonna go ahead and remove these now, the big ones in the center. Sorry about the camera guys, I'm trying to do two hands. Yes, I have a tripod, but I didn't bring it out. Okay, so this is disconnected now, and here's all your parts on the bottom. So we got to connect here in the bottom. Now this is easily accessible, so you can see there's a nut here. I'm just gonna go ahead and rip this off because I don't need this. It's all junk. We see the nuts on the inside, so it's gonna be hard when I mount it, but it's gonna be easy to take it off. So let's knock that out right now. I think that's a number, yeah, it's a number, it's actually standard, so let me see what size that is to tell you guys. 7/16. These are all 7/16. I'm gonna do this with my drill. Alright guys, this is the back of the Cadillac Barrettes. So there's 4 bolts. You have to take off this piece. 1, 2, 3, 4. Your license plate, obviously, your holder comes out. This whole piece comes off now. Try not, make sure you don't damage this, because that can be brittle at some times. We got to go over here and do the same thing to this side. This whole piece is like a whole, it mounts all together. Again, I'm tearing this off because I have the replacement part for this, and it's easier for me to access the screws inside of there. So I'm gonna get those out right now. Again, these are 7/16, and use your extension. If you have a drill, use your drill. But they're in there. 1, 2, and then this is the 3rd one. Alright, so this whole piece now comes off. We thought it did. Oh, got 4 in there actually. There's 1 in here. Alright. Now this whole piece comes off. And we got a bunch of lights in here. Got that one. What else we got? Oh. We got a locking mechanism for the trunk. Or a sensor, sorry. Sensor for the, looks like the light for the tail light. And that's, and you got a little clip right here that you just pop off. That wants to be a pain in the butt. Alright, I'm going to take off this clip. I'm also going to take these 2 screws out right here. So we'll get that now. Alright, so here's the piece. It's off the back. They had little staples here that you got to remove. So I'm going to remove these. Again, I can't do it on the camera, but 1, 2, 3, 4, and then we'll put our tops on. Try to get this installed. Alright guys, I took this off right here. I ripped this out. These are the bolts right here that go in here on the bottom. 1, 2, 3, and then you just pull it this way. Pull it this way and it'll come out. Now I got to go in here and take off this bracket. And I'm really hoping to God I don't have to take off this bumper. I don't want to take off another bumper. So we'll see. If I have to, I have to. But yeah. So I got some. Looks like I got some stuff inside there. So I got to get those out. It's hard because there's a bar inside of here. I don't know if your guys' Barrettes has those. But this bar's a bitch. So see if I can locate this. Okay, there's that. There's that. So yeah, there's just I don't know. I just see couple screws there. That's it. I really don't feel any anything else. I'm gonna take off all these screws inside of here, and that should release this right here for sure. So we are going to do that. Alright guys, so this thing right here has got to come out. This cover right here, you got to get behind it, and behind it there's a another nut. Take this off, and right in here, right here. Sorry, it's down in here behind this. Fuck is it? Yeah, it's right up in here. You guys can see it in the camera better than I can. Oh. 7:30 seconds. Let's get it. Gotta move this camera, guys. Sorry. Okay. We got these lights. Top one here. Bottom one. And you got another one down in there. It's like a vent line. A little turn signal, whatever. Got some water in there and shit too. Look at that. Alright. The whole back end's dismantled now. Pretty simple. Just gotta take off these cages now on this. Put in the good stuff and reinstall it. So we'll do that now.